In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a live wallpaper in Windows 11 or 10. For this, you need to download a software. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the search bar, search for Lively Wallpaper. This is the website that we are looking for. The link to this website will also be attached in the description. On the web page, click on Download. Select a saving location for the exe file. After the download is complete, click on the exe file. A pop-up should appear about downloading the resources for the app. Wait a few moments to download the resources properly. After the download is complete, the app should start automatically. Here, you get a few built-in live wallpapers to use. If you want to use a custom one, click on this plus icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Choose a File. Now, choose your desired video from your storage. In the pop-up, click on OK. Wait a few seconds to upload your video file to the app. After the video has been uploaded, click on your video. In the top right menu, click on the Control Panel. In this pop-up, you can select your desired screen if you have multiple screens. I will leave them as they are and click on OK. Now, if I close the app, you can see that we have successfully set a live wallpaper. The process is the same for Windows 11 and 10. Following these steps, you can set a live wallpaper easily in your Windows.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.